Hello, everyone. Today we will be taking a look at the package manager Manjaro Linux has to offer. It is an Arch base, and I'm using xfce, which is the lighter version. So should work fine on all of those old laptop and computers that Windows 11 won't work on. As we will take a look at this today, you will see that it is very easy to download apps just as you would on the Microsoft Store. Actually, it's a lot like the Microsoft Store. And so if you have some old laptops laying around or PCs and you really don't want to just throw them away and take them to the landfill, for me, Manjaro Linux worked the best. I started out with Linux Mint. Then I moved to Ubuntu, and then I ran across Manjaro, and I've pretty well been with it ever since. It works for me. Do your research of the distros of Linux and find which one will work the best for you. So this video today is based on the App Store or the package manager of Manjaro Linux, okay, which is an Arch base. Most Arch base opens up the door of all kinds of apps that you will be able to install. So at this time, let's get into the video and see how this package manager works, and let me show you some tricks to make it better and even get more apps. Hope you enjoy this. Now, I went ahead and downloaded Discovery App Center too, but this one comes with it, and I'm going to bring it up and go over it just a little bit before, if you decide to put this on there, you can use it. I mean, we can customize it later and you will appreciate it a whole lot better. But this is kind of like the Windows Store or the Microsoft Store, App Center, whatever you call these things. And honestly, this one right here, you can find anything that you will need for this system and never go into the terminal. The only thing, the terminal is a little faster. This will take just a pinch longer to download and install, okay? But you're not in the terminal and having to type all them commands. It'll do it for you. I may find one to download here in just a moment, actually show you how it works. But first, when you do this, when you first install it, there will be a bukus of updates, okay? And you will want to do that. But I always come over here first, go to Performance, and you have to type in that code, whatever your password is. And I'm testing this, so I don't need a complicated password. And right here, go to third parties. And then click this, AUR support, and then you want to keep them updated, okay? And by the way, this will update itself like Windows does. You don't have to go to the terminal and do that every so often like you may would on some of the others or the old setup. And definitely do flat packs. Or for me, most of my stuff is flat packs. And if you want snaps, you can click it. I think there's a couple of things that I might use in snap, but probably not. Once you do that, drop back over here and refresh it right here. And once it gets done going across out here, you want to update this thing. And mine's up to date, so when you get it updated, just refresh it once again and move on to download. And here are the installs. If you want to remove anything, you can just remove it right here, okay? I don't use Thunderbird, so I just want to remove that and just do this. I never will use that. If you use it, it's probably a great thing. Okay, that's gone, and that's how you remove anything you installed. So So that being said, any app you want would be right here. I don't actually know what I need. That should be enough to find it. And just type it in at the top there, and it'll show you. And there's all kinds of them. And if you want to narrow it down to a flat pack or a snap or AUR, you would just click on these, okay? And that would really narrow this down. Why is it way down at the bottom? Here is the one that I'm going to download. You got the official one, or you got a flat pack one. And I usually do the official ones if I can, but you know, they don't always have what you're looking for, so you may have to go with a flat pack, okay? Either one of these will work just fine. And you would just install it, and you have to go through a few little prompts here. If you haven't done anything, it will ask for a password, and you would just put that in. Did it already install that quick? And if you want to verify that it's there, just go back here and go to the install and scroll down until right there it is. It's already there. I was going to do something that took a minute and show you actually what's going on in the, here's a little browser that I may try. Let's do this Tor browser here. And here, once again, you got the choice of the official one or flat pack. Once again, let's just try this one. And this should take a moment. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to click this. See, it's working in the terminal right there. It's doing it for you, okay? So that's another thing that you can just watch it build it there, okay? It says it was successful finished. That quick? Is my internet actually working good today? And there it is. So you would go and look for it here. I don't know if I used that, but it just came to me. I have used it. And right here it is. So if so I'm going to pin that to favorites. I'm not going to put it in the toolbar right now. I just add it to favorites, and there it is. I thought I would go over that. I know this is probably a little lengthy. So like I said, if you want to see me customize this and make it look a little better and dress this right up, just stay tuned.